Alright, so we're back with an update on the 1998 Z28 Camaro. This is a big update because we just got it back from the paint shop. Came out great. It's a budget paint job, but I believe this guy really exceeded expectations. In my opinion, he exceeded expectations, and I'm super happy with it. I'm sure you guys can see this beautiful, beautiful sheen it has on it. Especially under my lights, you can really see what's going on with the paint, and she looks great. So what's next for this baby before it makes its debut at one of our local F-body shows? Well, that's what I'm having a hard time figuring out. What's next? So we could do some wheels on this bad boy. We could do a better exhaust or some kind of exhaust tip at least, but the question is, should we do that or should we wait for the next owner to do that? That's the question that I'm struggling with right now, guys. I don't know if I should invest that money or not. At the end of the day, this is a flip vehicle, so we want to be able to make as much as we can without putting as much in as we would if it was our car. Here's another issue. We've got the windshield delaminating. Really wanting to fix that, but like I said, this is not my car. This is not a keeper. This is a vehicle that I saw an opportunity to save. It's a 1998. These get neglected. These get looked over because of some silly issue with the ECU that doesn't even matter anymore. Maybe it mattered back then. It's not a big deal anymore. If you're buying this car and you're going to keep this stock ECU, stock everything, it doesn't matter. If you're going to go aftermarket, it doesn't matter. The LS